How to increase playback speed on SoundCloud. Hello everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial. In today's video, you would learn how you can increase playback speed on SoundCloud. Now, first thing you must notice that SoundCloud doesn't have a native speed control, all right, but it allows the use of browser extensions or third-party apps. So, to increase playback speed, you would have to install a Chrome extension like Video Speed Controller. So once you're on your own page and you're logged into your SoundCloud account, click on the plus icon to open a new tab and then type Chrome Web Store. All right. And then select Chrome Web Store. After that, you'll be brought to the web store. Okay. So once you're on the stores page, type Video Speed Controller. Okay. Yeah. And then move to the top right side, click Add to Chrome, then add the extension to Chrome, wait for it to be downloaded and added. So once that's been added to Chrome, go to your SoundCloud page and then click go to extension, pin it and enable it. So by enabling it, you have the option to set it at 1.25, 1.5. You can increase the playback speed as much as you want. All right. And then after selecting the one you want, go ahead to reload your SoundCloud page. Then select, turn it on, enabled, then reload again. So now that it has been enabled, go ahead to play your music and the playback speed would have been increased due to the use of the extension. All right. And there you go. The playback speed has increased. So this is how to do it. This is how you can increase playback speed by making use of SoundCloud on your desktop. Whereas on mobile, you can use third-party apps as well to also control this. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.